Hello, today let's look at the interface of the Scratch. When you open your Scratch, you will see this interface. So on your extreme left, you have the code block. So the names are there. Motion looks how to my blocks. And if you want to add extension, if you put the mouse pointer here, you see add extension. You can click on it and choose any of these extensions. Then if you can go back. So after this code block, then we have the block palettes. So these are the block palettes. So any of the code block that you click on, you see it block palettes. Then you move here. This area that is called the script area. So this is where you put your script. The scripts are the code that you want to write. So if I take this one and drag it here, so this is a script. Then you come to this place. So this is the stage. So by default, this character that you see is called a sprite. So you see the name here, sprite. So the sprite, where the sprite is, this place is called the stage. So you can add different sprite to the stage. So if you want to add a sprite, you come down here, you see choose a sprite. So you click on it, then you come to this gallery. So we have different types of sprite. So the one that you select, you see that it will come to the stage. Then this stage by default, the background is white. If you want to change it, then you click here, choose a backdrop. So when you click here, then you see different backdrop. Then you can select the one you want. You see that the background of the sprite or the stage will change. Then when you come here, you see these three buttons. That's the presentation mode. The first one you can click to reduce the size. This one will increase the size. Then this one will maximize or the full screen when you click on it to give the full screen. Then you have this button. So this is the go, this is the start. You use this one to start the program and you use this one to end the program. So basically, this is the interface. So this stage is divided into the X and the Y axis. So you see here, you can change the values, here, and you see that the position of the sprite will change. So this is basically the interface. So we have the code block, then we have the block palette, then we have this place where you put the program. It's called the script area, and the instructions that you put here. The instructions are called the script. So the instruction will tell the sprite what to do. So if I click on this, it will tell this sprite to say hello for 2 seconds. And we are saying that the object you put on the stage, the objects are called the sprite, and you can delete. So if I want to delete this sprite, I'll just click here. This sprite will be deleted. If I want to delete this sprite, I'll just click here to be deleted. If I want to add or choose a sprite. I'll click here. That will take me to the gallery. When you come to the gallery, they have been grouped into different. So we have animals, people. So the one that you want, you just select it. You see that it will come to the stage. So thank you very much.